The Concourse syllabus system has some neat features beyond just being able to post your syllabus. It also allows you to send your syllabus more effectively to students. So just very quickly, I want to talk about how to send a syllabus link to your students in advance, because you know some students are going to request that, and also how to create an embedded syllabus document in modules in Canvas. My name is Diana Sage. I teach speech communication at the College Frisco campus, and I just thought this might be handy to know. So you'll go into you'll go into Canvas and of course pick the course that you want to use. I've already done that. So you'll go into the Concourse syllabus in that course. And then over here where it says Info, click Info. And you'll see this nice public link on the right under My Information. Click that and it automatically highlights it so it's copyable. Hit Control-C to copy. And then that's really it. Let me show you what it'll look like to your students. You'll just paste that into the email that you send your students, and they will be able to use that to access your syllabus before the course begins, so before they have access to it in Canvas. So that's the first thing I wanted to tell you about. And the second thing I want to tell you about is how you can use that same link to create a page in modules. So for example, I like to have a module where students can see their assignment packet. It's my course documents module. So if it's expanded, there's the assignment packet, the calendar, and I would like to have the syllabus in there. It would make sense for the syllabus to be there. So what I can do here is I can build a page. So on the left in your menu, you click Pages and go to View All Pages. And that's all potential pages as well as all pages that currently exist. So here you're going to see this plus page icon. Click that button, and that will allow you to add a page. Just call it syllabus, and I like to put here link to syllabus, and here click on the little chain link, right? Link to a URL, get it? It's a link. Control-V to view, and this is the same public link that I used to email students, and I am just going to use it here. Concourse syllabus also has an embed link, but I could not get that to work. I'm sure it was user error, but I just couldn't get it to work. So this works just fine. Just use the public link, click Insert Link, and it'll make you a link there, and then hit Save. Very simple. There's your page now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put that page in modules. So go to Modules, and again, I like to have it in my course documents module, so I'm going to hit the plus sign there. And I'm going to add a page. And it's right there as an option, the syllabus page, add item, and there it is, and I can publish it. So it is now available to students. So let's look at it from the student view. As a student, I might go in, and you don't want your students to have to click the Concourse syllabus every time. You want them to be able to access it from within your course documents module, let's say. And look, there it is. Click on syllabus. And then I'm going to click on the link to the syllabus, and there is the link to the syllabus. Now you will need to update this link every semester in each new class, because if you just import that directly, it's going to link to your old syllabus. So that link is attached specifically to this syllabus. So you will need to upload that link every time you update your syllabus, or you'll need to post a new link every time you update your syllabus, because you don't want it linking to old syllabi. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Just keep in mind the Concourse syllabus does not copy over automatically with the course copy in Canvas. You have to import your syllabus separately. I have created a separate video to show how to do that. I've also created a separate video to show how to upload your CV information. You can find these videos through the ELC at Collin. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask the ELC as well. I hope this video was helpful to you.